This portion of the question is asking us to identify how much revenue Jackie would need in order to earn an accounting profit of 0. Accounting profit, remember, is just taking our revenue, the money coming in, and subtracting explicit costs, that is, costs that are paid for directly. And the difference between those would be the accounting profit. So as we look at this setup, we see that she has $5,000 in depreciation. Her equipment is worth $5,000 less every year. Accountants will view that as an explicit cost. So there's $5,000 in explicit cost. She could rent out her room for $2,000 a year, but that's an implicit cost because it's not something she pays, it's something she's giving up. So that won't count. And she's giving up a $60,000 a year salary, which is also an implicit cost, not something that she pays directly. And so that won't count as far as accounting profit goes. So the only explicit cost is the $5,000 in depreciation, which means in order to have an accounting profit of 0, then Jackie would need revenues equal to $5,000. Because if we had $5,000 in revenue and subtracted our $5,000 in explicit costs, we would have a profit of 0.